2016 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, navigation system, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, trip computer, remote power door locks, power windows, compass, heated driver's seat, daytime running lights, cargo organizer, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, head-up display. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.